Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate how to open the box and start using it. Let's open our Magic Hinge box. You can use your fingers, nails or coin. Simply insert in the notches that we pre-create for you and open. If this one, the blue and gray, doesn't come off, you can twist and open it. Now the next step is lubricate your Magic Hinge box, and you can use a little brush and insert the lubrication in all the holes. Let's take a pea-size metal clay and we're going to simply roll it. Perfect. Now we're going to cut about 4 millimeter. Now let's construct the box. We want to put the white layer on top of the pink. And our metal clay inside. Then the blue layer. And you want to put the gray layer on top straight without twisting or moving, so the nipples won't break or twist and they will come out straight. You want to press the box. You can use your hands or you can use a stick lamp. I recommend to use the stick lamp. It won't hurt the box. Gently. And release. The cleaner is an optional piece. You don't have to have it, but we do recommend. It makes life easier later on and it gives a nicer result. Simply we're gonna again lubricate it, insert and twist. It will extrude some clay. You want to clean it and go to the other side. Don't be scared about the noise. As you can see, after I clean it with the cleaner, you can see a clean edge around the dot. Now our Magic Hinge box is ready to be set on the hot plate. Now it came back from the hot plate and it's ready to open. We're going to start with the pink side. And we're going to expose half of our hinge. Now when it's back from the hot plate, we're going to turn it over and open the gray side. To expose our other half. Here. Now we have the blue and the white, and we want to put it again for a couple more minutes that the blue side will dry. Now our last step is to separate the white and the blue and expose our whole hinge. If you would like to clean, you can use the tissue blade. Now after it's clean, gently and slowly push the hinge till it pops out. Now when it's ready, if there is any excess clay, you can take your fingers or use a dry brush to clean it off. And this concludes our fire and forget hinge.